It's really quiet out here. Good morning. It's Saturday, June 4th. Margaret and Sara are walking down to my cabin. Then we're going to walk on down to the lake and enjoy a cup of coffee together. Oh, it's still nice and quiet. We're all going to Big Cedar's Dogwood Canyon Nature Park. The kids are taking fishing gear in hopes of catching their dinner. I'm going to share Margaret's Instagram story that she posted when we got to Dogwood Canyon.
Good morning, friends. You guys, we just arrived at Dogwood Canyon Nature Park, which is owned by Johnny Morris, who owns Big Cedar Lodge and Bass Pro Shop. You guys, this place, look at this. Watch this behind me. You almost can't believe how insanely beautiful this place is. It's unreal. So I'm going to show you some of our activities for today. We have some biking plans, some hiking, a little bit, some fishing, so stay tuned.
This treehouse was built by Animal Planet's treehouse masters. Oh, well then don't do it. We got our instructions for where to fish. So we're gonna go try fishing first while it's nice and cool out.
Susu, do you have
I just want one so I can see.
Well, you need a fly.
Squeeze the tool together.
Here, you need a fly or a spoon. Here's a fly, and here is a spoon.
I want a spoon. And then could you put a bobber on it?
You're gonna need a weight, and then you want a bobber on it.
Yeah.
And so that's not what we use in this situation. In this situation, you're gonna cast it and you're gonna slowly reel it in. Okay?
Oh my God.
What, D? You twisted? Hey, fishing is patience, bud.
Okay, I'm gonna have to teach you how to use this rod. Flip it back. But we want to keep it back. You want to make it.
Okay. Yep. Just gotta watch out for the hooks.
I have a fish on.
Here, no, here, go. Stay there. You got a fish. What?
Okay guys, we're inside Dogwood Canyon. It is incredible in here. As you can see, we're fishing. This is the section of the park that they'll let you fish in. They do charge for it. It's like $15 per person for an hour. I don't know if, oh my gosh, I think Eric just caught something. Oh my gosh, the water is crystal clear. Like you can actually see through it and you can see the trout. I think Eric may have lost it, but we caught one earlier, hoping to catch a few more, and we'll be doing some biking and some hiking, so stay tuned.
Both Margaret and Sara's families rented bikes and explored a lot of the canyon. Ron and I wanted to do the 2-hour Wildlife Tram tour, but they were already sold out for the day. We went ahead and purchased tour tickets for Tuesday. Since Ron and I will be coming back on Tuesday for the tour, we're going to go ahead and leave Dogwood Canyon and go over to Big Cedar Resort and have lunch there. Ron and I have come to Fun Mountain at Big Cedar Resort. We're going to try the restaurant Uncle Buck's Fish Bowl and Grill. I like the coleslaw in a jar. After lunch, Ron and I decided to stop by and check out the Dollar General, and then we're going to head back to our cabin. Shortly after returning to our cabin, I got a call from Margaret wanting to know if I wanted to go back to the Big Cedar Resort and do some shopping with her. And I said, of course.
Hi friends! You guys, we just came over to the Big Cedar part of the property, and I'm going to show more about this later, but this is just a little snippet. I mean, could the architecture here be any sweeter? Are you kidding me? The whole side of this property looks like this. This is one of their little shops. They've got a spa. That's where registration is. You guys, perfection.
Everyone is back at the resort, and now we're going to head to the pool.
There's a hotel key right there.
I got it. Why you get it? Come with you. How does that one? Not mine.
Okay, I'm on.
I'm going to need another one. All right, this time I'm ready.
That was a good one. Right now?
What bagpipes?
For dinner, Ron and I are going to go over to the barbecue grill and cook some hot dogs. Margaret and Sara's families are going to eat in their cabins. After dinner, we're all going to meet at Margaret's cabin for a campfire and s'mores.
Gas on it.
It's not bad.
I mean, I don't know why it's bubbly, but
That's perfect right there. Wow. I had a bite of it.
I just can't get over that they did our dishes. Where are you gonna?
Okay.
I'm going to close out this vlog and watch the grandkids all try to catch fireflies.